Assigning host countries by outbound coordinator. This is part 1 of 2 videos explaining how to assign a host country to an applicant. For multi-districts with centralized operations, applications from each district under the multi-district organization are sent to host countries and districts from the multi-district. This process is handled by the outbound coordinator if given the authority to do so. The URL is www.rotary-yep.org. First, identify yourself. As an officer of the multi-district organization, click here. Then scroll down and choose the name of your multi-district. And then put in your user ID and the password. Then click Login. After login, you will see the outbound status under the YEO outbound. First, choose the year you want to work on. For demo purpose, we will work on year 2021 to year 2022. From the outbound status, you will see that out of 9 accepted applications, only 5 have been assigned host countries, which means there are still 4 approved applications waiting to be assigned a host country. To assign host country, click the district number. For example, we are to process the applications from District 3460. Here you will see a list of applications received by District 3460 and which ones are still waiting to be assigned the host country. These are indicated by the blinking X under Assign Country. To assign a country to an applicant, click the blinking X. For example, we assign a country to Jesse. You will now see the Assign Country page. Assign country are done by districts. We explain first this worksheet. The first column here is the winter exchange or summer exchange. The second column are the different names of the areas where your multi-district has grouped the different countries of districts you exchange with. Inside the parentheses is the number of exchanges allotted to each district as distributed by the metrics system. The third column shows the countries of the exchange partners. Again, inside the parentheses is the number of available exchanges allotted to each district as distributed by the metrics system. These numbers will serve as a guide to the outbound coordinator on how many more placements are available to a certain country. The fourth column is assigned. This shows how many applicants have already been assigned to this country. To the right side of the table are preference numbers from 01 to as many countries as you have in your country preference list. To move the preference list left to right, use the arrows here. For example, to move the preference list to the right, we click the right arrow. And use the menu bar to the right side of the screen to scroll down or up. The middle part of the table here shows the number of applications and their preferences to each country. For example, the table here shows there is one applicant from District 3460 whose first preference is to go to Czech Republic. There is also one applicant whose first preference is to go to Germany. and there are 2 applicants whose third preference is to go to France. To see the details, click the number. Here you will see the details of the applicants who has chosen this preference. Here you have district, sponsor district, sponsor club, sponsor school, and the nickname. To see details of the application, click the nickname. We now continue with the next video on assigning host country.